Here's how to clean the tip for an Interacoustics Titan, Mako Easy Timp, GSI TimpStar Pro, or a similar probe. Cleaning a timp probe is a simple process. Delicately remove the probe gasket and grab your floss. From experience, denture floss works best. Feed the floss through the probe opening and give it a little spin to make sure you get all the wax out. Most likely the dental floss won't get all of it out in the first pull through. That's to be expected. Just pull the floss back through the hole again until it's clean. When finished, replace all pieces as they were found on the probe tip.
If you're having any other issues or need to schedule your annual calibration, E3 Diagnostics is here to help.